Sector Levy Amendment Act 2025. The energy sector debt has been the Achilles heel of our economic growth and sustainability for many years, and there have been many attempts to try to resolve it. From the time of the toll levy to the Energy Sector Levy Act, ESLA. Today we're signing the Energy Sector Levy Amendment Act. All this in a view to trying to eliminate the energy sector debts and stop the crisis in the energy sector and create an energy sector that delivers lower tariffs and better service to our people. I wish to pledge to the Ghanaian people that we are determined to solve this energy sector crisis once and for all and resolve the issue of the energy sector debt. With the recent performance of the Ghanaian economy, we have seen a drop in the price of petroleum products. I want to thank the transport unions and the drivers for their cooperation in passing on the savings to the Ghanaian people. Since then, the petroleum prices have dropped further at the pump. We believe that it will be a useful use of the extra savings that has occurred to try and pay down the energy sector debt and also pay for the expensive liquid fuel that we use to generate power. The fuel component of power generation is not captured in the tariff. And my understanding is that if we capture the full cost of the fuel component, it will lead tariffs to go up by 50%. But our current trajectory is not sustainable. We are determined to achieve macroeconomic stability, have a strong currency, low inflation, but to do that, we must make sure that the energy sector does not destabilize the economy, the gains we've made with the economy. And that is why, though painful it is to sign this, I'm enjoying as your president. I was appointed not only to take soft decisions and easy decisions, but also to take hard decisions. But one of the assurances I make you is that this money will be used exactly for what it's meant for. It won't be like in the past where the ESLA was collateralized and the money was diverted for other things. I can assure you that this money is going to be ring-fenced. It's going to go for the purchase of fuel oils to keep our lights on. And towards the end of the year, when we have more gas and we are having to buy less fuel oil, that money will be available to start paying the debt of the independent power producers. But all this will be useless if it's not linked up with efficiency in the power sector. And that's why we're going to go ahead to revamp the distribution sector so that we reduce the losses that we are incurring. It's estimated that we lose almost 45% of the value of the power we're transmitting. We can't continue like that. And so, aside from signing this levy, we're also going to go ahead with the reform in the power sector so that we're collecting more revenue to be able to pay down this debt. This act that has been christened the D-levy will not be forever. It is a temporary solution to try and resolve our crisis in the power sector. And I'll sign it now, but I'm sure that by the grace of God, we'll resolve the energy sector crisis and we'll be able to relieve Ghanaians of the levy that I've just signed. So I hereby append my signature to the bill.